Hello friends, welcome to my kitchen. My kitchen's name is Kitchen of Minakshi. Today I will show you how to prepare jackfruit ball curry. For this, let's see what we need. Boil jackfruit pieces, all-purpose flour, chopped capsicum or bell pepper, chopped tomato, chopped onion, coriander leaves, tomato puree, cashew paste, salt, turmeric powder, cumin and coriander seed powder, milk, ginger garlic paste, cardamom and cinnamon powder, red chili powder and boiled potato. First we have to grind the jackfruit pieces. I have already grinded it. Now mix the jackfruit. Half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of cumin and coriander seed powder, half teaspoon of cinnamon and cardamom powder, one teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, half teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 cup of boiled potato, and mix it all with the help of your hand. Add all-purpose flour, now our mixture is ready. Before making the jackfruit ball, you have to grease your hand with the help of oil. Now make the jackfruit balls. Our jackfruit balls are ready. Let's start frying. Heat sufficient oil for frying. Before frying, you can coat it with all-purpose flour. And then fry it. Our jackfruit ball is ready. Fry them until it become brown in color. Let's keep it out. Now in the same pan we can start the gravy process. Add onion, tomato, capsicum, add half teaspoon of salt, and saute it for some time, and then cover it with a lid. Cover it for 2 to 3 minutes. Now add tomato puree, add 2 tablespoons of cashew paste, add half teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, one-third teaspoon of red chili powder, half teaspoon of cumin and coriander seed powder. Mix them well. Add half teaspoon of turmeric powder. Add the jackfruit balls. Here you can check the salt is sufficient or not. If not, you can give more as you required. I gave 1/3 teaspoon of salt. You can add half cup of water. Add coriander leaves. Add some milk, 2 tablespoons. Now our jackfruit ball curry is ready. Now keep it out. Our jackfruit ball curry is ready. You can serve it with rice or paratha. Please subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon and share it with your friends, and also visit my website www.minakshikitchen.com. There you will find various written cooking process. Thank you.